hope you're all well. A very warm welcome on my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning about blending letters. So I'm using these water-based markers, Karin markers, and I will be using the Strathmore Bristol paper today. And this is the water brush pen which I'll be using to blend two colors together. This is Sakura fine tip. If you don't have this, you can use any water brush with a fine tip, of course, and also if you don't have any water brush at all, you can use a paint brush, preferably a fine tip one. And yes, you're good to go. You just need some water, some paper towel, markers, and a watercolor paper. And yes, that's all we need, and these are the colors I'm showing which I will be using today. I will tell you all the colors that I will be using today. This is a little sample which I made for myself and also for some of you who follow me on Instagram, and I asked which combination you like the best, and you guys told me that you like 2 and 4 the most. So in the second one we have lilac and magenta, and in the fourth one we have gold and lipstick red. So yes, these are the colors that I will be using today. So I will be showing you 2 projects using these 4 colors. So we always start with the sketching out our letters, whatever we want to write. I'm using the word blend here. You can pick any word of your choice, and you start with that, the first thing first. So yes, this here I'm showing you a very basic blending, probably for any level of lettering that you are at, and I think for me this works very well. There are many other ways to blend your letters, but here I'm just showing you something you can start with probably. So yes, I hope that you'll find it helpful. I will explain what I'm doing here now. So I've picked a light color. I think I'm using here warm gray as a base, which is also in the box which I have from Karin markers, and I use a lighter color. You can use any other lighter color that you have, and that will work as my guide. So now I have to work on top of these letters which I've already written, so it's much easier that way. So I'm gonna start with the combination lilac 226 and magenta 359, which is in the box. So here you can use any colors, and probably those who blend better together, if you know what I mean. And here I just used some lilac on the top and some magenta at the bottom of my first stroke of the letter B, and I left some space in between where all the blending happens. So that's one way to blend your letters, and I think it's easy to follow. I hope it is for you as well. And yeah, I just used my water brush. I just push a little bit of water out, not too much, and I blend these 2 colors together. And also I'm cleaning my brush in between whenever I feel there is a need, so that there is not too much purple or there is not too much lilac or magenta, you know. So just balance it out where you feel which color you need more. So clean your brush in between your water brush, and then I'm gonna keep repeating the same process on all my letters. Next I'm just adding some shadow to my letters here, and this is completely optional. You can do that as well if you like. I have another video which is focusing mainly on how to add shadows to your letters. You might want to have a look at that as well. It's up on my channel. So here is our first word. We are done with all the blending, and next up I will be showing you one more project, which is a bonus project here, where we will be lettering, blending, and making a card. So yes, I thought it'll be nice to make a card, and now that we are almost in December, so I wanted to make this card with the second combination that we have, that is gold 283 and lipstick red 181, and I'm using again the base here is different, sorry, not the same base, but here I'm using almond as my base, and I think it's very nice for the two colors that I chose to blend. And yes, so I'm using that color as a base, but again you can use any lighter color and you can start your blending. Here again the technique is same. I'm using the lipstick red at top and the gold at the bottom, and I will be doing the same thing that we did in our previous letter. So the technique is same, everything is same, colors are different, and I will be repeating the same procedure on all my letters. So keep on watching to see the process. So yes, we are done blending there. Yes, I have a little itsy bitsy smudge on the M, but we can fix that with the white gel pen. Next I'm adding some letters with a small brush pen, and just to complete my sentiment which I want on the card. So yes guys, one tip from that smudge on the M was to have some patience and do not erase the pencil marks right away. Just wait for the letters to dry. They're gonna take some time to dry. So yes, that's my tip for you. And here I'm just rounding off the corners of the paper, and I just made the base of the card with the same paper. I use Strathmore Bristol paper, and I'm just gonna stick this on top of the base, and using this Tombow glue tape. It's easy to use. So I thought it'll be nice and a little festive to add some leaves around the letter Mary, which I think looks really nice, and it balances out the black and all the black that is happening and all the colors that are on the card. So I think it was a good idea. And the pen that I'm using here is just Tombow Fudenosuke hard tip to draw the leaves. You can use any black pen or a fine line or anything that you have. And also, please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I would also love to know in the comments what next you want to learn from me. And yes guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed blending with me, and I hope you like this card that we made together. Please do try it out, and if you find it even a bit helpful, I'll be very happy to know and see what you guys are making and learning. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys next time.